Hello everybody, welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to create a survey in Typeform. Creating a survey might seem daunting, especially when you're aiming to gather valuable feedback or conduct essential research. The good news is, Typeform offers an intuitive platform that makes designing interactive and visually engaging surveys a breeze. Whether you're looking to engage a wider audience or gather important insights, Typeform equips you with all the tools you need to create surveys that are both effective and enjoyable for your respondents. So, let's dive right in and learn how to craft a compelling survey using Typeform. To get started, you'll first need to log into your Typeform account. If you don't have an account yet, setting one up is straightforward and quick. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself in your workspace. Here you'll notice an option to begin a new survey, usually highlighted with a New Form button located at the top right corner of your dashboard. Go ahead and click on that button. You'll be presented with two options: either start from scratch or choose from a wide variety of available templates. If you're short on time or looking to streamline the process, selecting a template can be a huge time saver. Templates are perfect for common survey types such as customer satisfaction surveys, event registrations, or market research forms. However, if you want complete control over every detail of your survey, you might prefer to build it from the ground up by selecting a blank form. Now let's focus on building and customizing your questions, which are, without a doubt, the heart and soul of any survey. By clicking the plus question button, you can add a wide range of question types. These include multiple choice questions, open-ended text responses, file uploads, and rating scales, to name a few. Typeform's user-friendly interface allows you to easily tap on a question to edit the text, switch the question type, and adjust the formatting to suit your specific needs. To enhance engagement, consider embedding media into your survey. Simply click the plus button and select Media to incorporate images, GIFs, or even videos. These media elements aren't just for decoration, they serve to make your survey more engaging and visually appealing, keeping your respondents interested and motivated to complete it. Another powerful feature that Typeform offers is Logic, also known as Logic Jump. This tool allows you to create a more dynamic and personalized experience for respondents. It can direct them to different questions based on their previous answers, creating a seamless and tailored experience. Additionally, with the Recall Information option, you can reference earlier responses later in the survey, such as addressing respondents by name for a more personalized touch. Before finalizing your survey, it's important to preview it. The preview feature lets you simulate the respondent's experience, allowing you to check the navigation, appearance, and how the logic behaves across questions. This step ensures that everything works smoothly before you go live. Once you are satisfied with the content and flow, you can get creative with the aesthetic of your survey under the Design tab. Here you can tweak the layout, color scheme, fonts, and backgrounds. You can even select quiz themes to reflect your brand or set the right mood for your survey. Finally, when you're happy with everything, from questions to design and flow, it's time to publish and share your survey. Simply hit the Publish button, and you'll be given options to copy a shareable link, obtain an embed code, or even distribute your survey via social media or email. And there you have it. Creating an engaging and interactive survey in Typeform is straightforward and incredibly rewarding. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you with how to create a survey in Typeform, subscribe to PMN Online for more easy-to-follow tutorials.